Welcome to today's English listening practice story. This is a Level 3 English story called The Tired Mother. Vocabulary preview. Before we begin today's story, here are a few words you will hear. Tired, needing rest because the body is weak. Single mother, a woman raising a child alone. Exhausted, extremely tired with no energy left. Collapse, to suddenly fall because the body is too weak. Hope, belief that life can become better. Now that you know the key words, let's begin our story. My name is Anna. I am 36 years old, and I am a tired mother. I have one son. His name is Leo. He is 8 years old. He is small for his age and gets sick often. Everything I do is for him. Life has not been kind to me. I lost my parents when I was young. I married early, hoping for a safe life. But after 7 years, my husband left. He said he was tired of responsibility. After that day, it was just Leo and me. We live in a small rented room. The walls are thin. The roof leaks when it rains. But it is our home. Some months, paying rent feels impossible. I do not have a college degree, so my choices are limited. Quitting is not an option. Every morning, I wake up before the sun. My body already hurts, but I stand up anyway. I clean houses in the morning. I wash floors, toilets, and clothes that are not mine. At noon, I help in a small food shop. I wash dishes until my hands burn. In the evening, I sell snacks near the bus stop. I work until my legs shake. Sometimes I eat once a day. Sometimes not at all. When Leo asks, "Mama, did you eat?" I smile and say, "Yes, my dear." That is a lie. At night, Leo often coughs. Some nights he has a fever. I sit beside him and count his breaths. I pray quietly. Medicine costs money. Money costs strength. Strength costs rest. And rest I do not have. People see me walking slowly. They see my tired eyes. Some whisper, "She is weak. She looks careless." They do not know the truth. One evening after a long day, it starts to rain. Cold rain, heavy rain. I finish work late. Leo waits for me under a streetlight. He is holding his school bag. "Mama," he says softly, "I feel dizzy." My heart drops. I hold his hand tightly and walk faster, but my body feels strange. The streetlights blur. My chest feels tight. Then, everything goes dark. When I open my eyes, I hear beeping sounds. The ceiling is white. The smell is sharp. A hospital. Fear fills my chest. "My son," I cry. "Where is my son?" A nurse holds my hand. "He is safe," she says gently. "He is sleeping." I cannot stop crying. Later, a doctor comes in. His face is serious. "You collapsed from exhaustion. You are severely weak. Your body has been overworked for too long." Then he adds, "You must rest for at least 1 month." 1 month. I laugh softly. "I cannot rest," I whisper. "I have rent. I have food. I have a child." The doctor looks at me with sad eyes. "If you don't rest," he says, "you may not wake up next time." 2 days later, another problem comes. A hospital worker brings papers. My treatment costs $8,400. I stare at the number. My hands shake. I do not even have $40. That night, Leo sleeps beside me in the hospital bed. I turn my face away and cry silently. For the first time, I do not know how to continue. Someone shares my story online. I do not know who. A tired mother, a sick child, a body that gave up. Messages begin to appear. Some are kind. Some send small help. Then, one evening, my phone rings. A calm voice says, "I heard your story. I want to help." My heart beats fast. "Who are you?" I ask. "Just someone who understands tired mothers," the voice replies. A week later, after I leave the hospital, a woman visits my home. She works with a local support group. They help with rent. They help with food. They help Leo's medicine. It is not magic. It is not easy. But for the first time, I can breathe. Months pass. I work fewer hours. I rest more. My body slowly heals. One day, Leo brings me a drawing. It shows me standing in the sun. "You are smiling, Mama," he says. I look at the picture and cry. Today, I am still tired, but not broken. I am still a mother, still working, still loving. Now people see me differently. They say, "You are strong," but I know the truth. I was never tired because I was weak. I was tired because I carried everything alone. And love can be very heavy. Thank you for listening to this story. If you liked it, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to the Story Reading in English channel. Your support helps more stories reach people like you. With every story, our English gets better and our hearts get stronger.